Hi, this is Carol from Inspiredby, and today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Sonya from MultiFacettedMe. Now, all we have to do is celebrate another creator's design style that is very much like our own. And I chose my BFF Angela from Angela's Hangout. It's so similar that this was both easy and hard. Easy because I had everything, and I know we're very similar in style, but hard because I didn't want to let her down. Show you my style, which is very similar to hers, except I tend to add a little bit of gold into mine and she tends to stay to the silver. We both love the color pink, and I love using flowers or candles, but guaranteed always have some kind of bling. So I have these bookcases, and here you'll see that I incorporated the pink flowers because that is both of our favorite colors, and you see my touches of gold with Angela's bar card. And I wanted you to take notes of the bling big rock at bottom and the ice bucket. Picture of the top part of the card. Notice the pink egg, our favorite color, the bunny, and once again she has another ice bucket that's really blingy. Okay, so I hope I can do Angela's justice. This is what I think her style is. Now notice I have the bookends that have the crystal rocks, and I also have this bowl that mimics her ice bucket, and in the bowls I have these really glam looking balls. Next to the bowl I have a tray also mimicking the style of the ice bucket. I have the pink rabbit, our favorite colors, and the pink egg, and of course every glam girl needs a big rock, and I also have the rock there. Now this is a combination of both our styles together. I have this gorgeous glam pedestal bowl that she also has candle holders that look exactly like that. The pink egg, which is our favorite color. Note I have the marble tray there, and I also have the one with the gold leaves and flowers on it, just to add a touch of gold, my style. I also have this beautiful trinket dish, and in there we have silver eggs that I DIY'd. My province is very, should I say, decor challenge. So a lot of things that we have to DIY ourselves. Also notice that I have the bookends that I used in both my tablescape and Angela's, and now I'm using it in the combination of both of ours. Well, I hope I did my friend Angela justice with what I think her design was like or is like. And I'd like to thank Sonya so much for hosting this amazing challenge. Thank you so much for reaching out to me, Sonya. I had so much fun doing this challenge. I'd also like to encourage everyone to please go and watch all the other participants' videos. You're going to see some great designs. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for watching, and I'd like to wish you all a happy Easter.